Hi, boys and girls. We're not having our normal Monday meeting, so I thought I would send this out to you so you can watch it before you come to our testing sessions. You are either scheduled to start at 9 or at 10:30, so make sure you look at your Class Connect session so that you can come. All right. This week, or not this week, but this month, we have several birthdays. We have Stacy, we have Luke, we have Scout, we have Ella, we have, oh, he's not in our class anymore, and Callie. Happy birthday, everybody. I hope you have a wonderful month, and we'll wish you happy birthday again next week. Just in case you don't come, I wanted to mention it. What we're learning this week, you're going to be doing your writing work sample. I sent that out on Friday, so please make sure you look at it. It's on your plan for December the 10th, but you can start working on it anytime. It is due no later than the 16th. I have to have plenty of time to grade those. We are going to be multiplying two-digit numbers still. I know the algorithm is tricky, so we're going to keep working on it. Science, the ever-changing Earth, and history, and then also art review and wild beast. Okay, so make sure you're looking at all of your assignments in OLS. What's coming up? So today and Tuesday, you have your map testing. It is required to come. It is not optional, and you get participation points for it, so it does affect your grade. It's super important that you come so that I can see how much you have grown, so I can put you in the appropriate small group. So please come and make sure you are taking your time and trying your best and not getting any help. Again, your work sample for writing is going to be due. You will have normal homeroom live sessions on Wednesday and Thursday. No more small groups for this whole month of December. Make sure that you're doing your summit courses before Stride, okay? If you have not done your reading benchmark fluency, please get that done along with any other work samples that may be missing. All right, so like I said, we're not having any more small groups. So please use that time to make up those missing work samples, make up that benchmark fluency assessment, and any other assignments that are past due or have not been mastered. That's really going to help you bring up your grade, okay? The writing work sample is going to be typed, okay? So you do not have to write it this time, which is pretty nice. Unfortunately, I don't have any of these certificates, but I will give you 10 dojo points for turning it in. Okay, this is what your writing work sample looks like. You're going to be reading 2 different reading prompts, and then you are writing an informational piece. Okay, and this is what you're going to be graded on. So as you're writing it, go ahead and make sure you look here. So you're going to go to your OLS for December the 10th. You're going to click on it and follow it along, and then you're going to click on the link. It's going to take you to a form, and that is where you're going to type your writing response. Lastly, we still do have our pathways, but like I've said, we are no longer sending them out in an email. Instead, they are in the Weebly. So make sure you go to the Weebly if you need some extra practice. All right, everyone, I will see you soon. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye, everybody.